Hello mga ka-travelers, this is Chadri and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'll show you on how to get the perfect tone ups. And please be sure to watch this video until the end. And let's watch this! First workout, you workout, you need to get a 30 seconds plank. For the third workout, you need to get 30 seconds. And for our fourth workout, you need to get 30 seconds leg. For the fifth workout, you need to get 30 seconds Russian twist. Finally, for the last workout, you get 30 seconds push. That's it mga ka-travelers. I hope you like and learn about this video and see you next time.